In this video, I'm going to show you how to check last seen on Snapchat. Before the tutorial, I just want to inform you guys that this is going to be a little bit different to that of, say, for example, Instagram, Facebook, or other social networking sites wherein you'll be able to see them directly. Here on Snapchat, what we are going to see is something like this. So first things first, you should be able to see the time here as to when they have sent you a snap. So this one is the latest. As you can see here, this is 39 seconds ago. You can refresh this one and it's actually going to change as well. That's the first thing, and again, it's only available when they have, let's say for example, send you something. If you're going to scroll down here, take a look at this one, there's nothing in here, right? And that is again because we have not, or they have not sent me a snap. Now another way that we can do this is by opening the map. So here in the snap map, you should be able to see here the people. So say for example, if I'm going to go ahead and click this person right here, you should be able to see that they have been last active about 1 hour ago. So that is another thing. Now let's head over back here and I'm gonna go ahead and click this. As you can see that this person is just here just now, so meaning they've been recently active. And yeah, everybody, again, that is the only indication that you can see here in Snapchat. And again, that's how it's done. Thanks for watching and I hope this video helps you out.